Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video, I will show you the new features for drawing detailing. Let's start with an important improvement. Previously, dimensions that were no longer associative after geometry changes often caused a dimension base points not found error message. Often, you first had to update sections and details before you could even respond appropriately. Now, the dialog no longer appears when problems are found in outdated views. This means that the views must first be updated before the dialog is executed. There is also an improvement in the handling of detail annotations. If it is not possible to move the annotation directly, it can now also be moved using the context menu of the annotation. Let's stick with the details. In the Edit dialog, the original view can now be edited for the cuboid, sphere details. This is particularly necessary if the original view is no longer available. One highlight of HiCAD Service Pack 1 is the contour-based display of beams, profiles and other parts. This is possible in both the glass model and the hidden line views. The display can be activated for each view in the properties via the context menu of the part. If the display is activated on an assembly, the effect applies to all underlying parts. It does not matter whether the view is a section or a detail. There is a new setting for dimensioning, dimension assignment to the main assembly or to the top assembly. Depending on the selection of the base points, the dimension is preferably assigned to the main assembly. This is activated by default during a new installation. This is intended to keep dimensions more stable in certain situations. Further details on special features and behavior can be found in the online help. Let's continue with the topic of development. With the develop surface function, kink edges, which are non-tangential edges, can be output, for example, at 90-degree corners. The display can be customized via the settings. In addition, the thread can be combined with the sheet metal part in the development so that the core hole is displayed. Furthermore, tool numbers can now also be stored in the catalog for standard processings, which are then displayed in the development. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing.